Alrighty guys, what's going on? Today I'm going to be talking to you about the Hask Monoi Coconut Oil Nourishing Hair Conditioner. This stuff is awesome. Full disclosure, I'm a guy with long hair, longer than a lot of girls that I know, and one thing that I could say is I've never been super consistent in terms of my hair product choices, and now that I've been using this thing or this stuff for a while, I've really gotten into the habit of being more consistent and being more healthy, and I can really tell that it's having a great effect on my hair. I actually really just dig these products in general. Um, the Hask products, the ingredients are high quality. They're recognizable as well. It's not some 5-syllable word that looks like it was born out of a lab that I have no idea what this is. All the ingredients on here, I'm like, okay, I can check that, and I know that's good for hair, that's good for skin, or it's safe and healthy. It also utilizes coconut oil, which is awesome. I use coconut oil for just about everything, from cooking to self-keep. It's great. It's a really nice ingredient, especially in shampoos and conditioners and things like that. Um, it's free of sulfates and parabens, which is really nice. There it is, right there. Bing bing bing, on sulfates, and that's cool. So another key thing that makes this a healthy alternative to your regular shampoos, such as Pantene and things like that. It is infused with a softening monoi. It's essentially a flower that's been soaked in coconut oil, and so it really does make your hair soft. I live with a couple people now, and we all use. Everyone just really started using this since I started buying it, and they all dig it, And we have some different hair types in the house, so I can definitely say that it's done wonders for all different hair types, not just straight or curly or whatever. It's pretty well rounded. As for the smell, it's really nice, especially if you love coconut. But it's also not overpowering, and it's not like an artificial coconut smell. Sometimes you get those artificial coconut smells, which are really poignant, or just really way too sweet. This is a nice warm, soft smell, if that makes any sense. Yeah. As for the use, one thing I did notice, and still always kind of notice when I use this, and I wash my hair about once a week. I don't want to wash too much. I want to dry it out. So I'll only end up using this about once a week. And so I still really notice it now, is that it's a bit harder to spread than normal conditioner, which I don't know if it's a good or a bad thing. I just noticed that is a thing. I almost feel like I need more to really cover my hair, and it just doesn't lather as well. It feels like drier, if that makes any sense. I guess what I will say that is probably good about that is the fact that it doesn't come out greasy like some other conditioners do. Some other conditioners have really made my hair sort of greasy, and way too shiny, and this gives it a nice soft sheen when I'm done using it. So that could have something to do with it, not really sure, but that's just one thing that I noticed. It does, however, get rid of all the knots in my hair, which is awesome. Like I said, I have long hair. I also, am out a lot, biking, skating, whatever, and so, working out. And so it's very easy for my hair to kind of get knotted. I have it up a lot of the time as well. So, it does get knotted during the week, and, I run some of this stuff through it, and, right after my shower, it is knot free, feels extremely soft, feels extremely healthy and full. Yeah, so it's really great. The other thing that I love about this too is it's very affordable. Like I said in the beginning, I've never really had a huge affinity for beauty products and things of that nature. I've never really bought into the whole thing. just because that's not really where I want to put my money. So if you're someone like me who's like, okay, I don't want to, put $100 into buying a bottle of shampoo or conditioner because it's healthy or, natural, then this is a really, really great choice because, it's super affordable. I can't say exactly how much the price is. I'm not totally sure. But I can say that I wouldn't have bought it if it was expensive at all. So it is, it's nice in that way, especially when you compare it to other high-end products. So yeah, the Hask brand in general is really awesome, and especially the Monoi coconut oil. So yeah, definitely if you're looking for something to be more consistent with your hair, this is it. All right, take it easy, y'all.